Make money recycling computer parts. Are you surrounded by a stack of half-disassembled, non-functioning computers and paraphernalia? Well, think again. Make yourself productive. No, you don't need to repair or put everything together. In fact, you just have to do the exact opposite. Yes, you have read it right. You can make more money by disassembling them and eventually grouping them part by part. When you sell the specific parts to interested buyers with specific needs, you can certainly hit a jackpot. Here are some pointers. Count what is available. Prepare your inventory list by tallying everything in your stockroom. Write down the specifics. What is the actual make? What is the model? What is the speed of the paraphernalia or the part? This is going to be very beneficial for you later. Understand that not all computer components may be compatible with other brands. For example, a video card, third-party, may require a particular make, model, or brand. If you have your list handy, matching is definitely a lot easier and simpler. Disassemble your computer units. Put together the similar or related parts. Label them properly. Separate the parts that are static sensitive like PCI cards, motherboards, and RAM. You need to protect them. So, place them in static bags. This is also the stage where you remove all the existing data in your hard drives. You can wipe off the data by assigning one functioning computer and putting the hard drives there one after the other. You can also reformat them using a working hard drive case, external. Market your available parts. After you have organized everything, don't waste your time. Tell people about the stuff that you have. You can announce them in some selected computer-oriented websites. You can also post them on eBay and offer them in auctions. Be sure that photos and details properly support all of your online announcements and postings. If some data pertinent to your parts are missing, search them online. Computer parts with complete specifications are certainly going to attract serious buyers. Strike a deal with a metal refiner. It is a company that specializes in taking out gold from old circuit boards. So, if you have older computer models, a metal refiner is definitely going to be interested in them. Obviously, you can find a lot of metal refiners online. Be a responsible reseller. Don't simply discard useless parts and components by throwing them straight to the garbage can. You have to follow what is environment friendly. Transfer them in a box first. Afterwards, check your community has some computer recyclers. Coordinate with them. If there are no computer recyclers in your locality, you can always search them online. Even though you are just disposing old computer parts and components, you are still expected to take care of your customers. Your deal with them isn't over once they have paid you. You have to give them a no-question-asked refund policy in case any one of them avers that the part or component they got from you wasn't working. Understand that greed can destroy your business. Since you have not really invested good money here, earning a little extra is already a big bonus.